Everyone is familiar with the word no recourse to public fund. Those who came to the UK from overseas and get their first visa. Under Immigration and Asylum Act 1999, Section 115 put a restriction on every limited leave to remain holder that they can't claim a no recourse to public fund. Although there is certain circumstance you can lift this restriction. I'll come back to this point later. But before that, I want you familiar with what is the public fund, and despite you have that restriction, can you still claim public fund? Well, there are certain benefit which still you can claim. Certain benefits, certain welfare benefits, still you claim despite you have that restriction. So what you can claim and what you can't claim, if you want to know this, then you must know the definition of public fund. Now, Immigration Rules, paragraph 6, basically give details at the certain category of benefit, which is considered as a public fund. Other than any kinds of benefit, if you enjoy in the UK, these are not considered as a public fund. Say, for example, maybe you don't know your children going to school and the children enjoying free school meal. Well, these are also some types of welfare systems, which is welfare benefit, you can say. But still, this is not a public fund. So, in Immigration Rules, paragraph 6, you should the details benefit which is described, and these are which is mainly adult disability payment in Scotland, attendance allowance, carer allowance, carer allowance supplement in Scotland based child benefit, child disability payment in Scotland, child tax credit, council tax benefit, council tax reduction based on your income, disability living allowance, discretionary support payment by local authority or devolved administration in Scotland and Northern Ireland, funeral support, housing and homelessness assistance, housing benefit, income-based job seeker allowance, income-related employment and support allowance, income support, personal independent payment, Scottish child payment, severe disablement allowance, social fund payment, state pension credit, universal credit, welfare fund payment in Scotland, working tax credit, winter heating payment or child winter heating assistance. So these are the benefits which you cannot claim, and these are the benefits which is called public fund under immigration law, paragraph 6. Now, there are some benefits which you can claim despite you have these restrictions, and these are contribution-based job seeker allowance, guardian's allowance, incapacity benefit, contribution-based employment and support allowance, ESA, maternity allowance, retirement pension, statutory maternity pay, statutory sickness pay, widow benefit, and bereavement benefit. So these are the benefits where you can claim, even though you have restriction on the course of public fund. Especially, many people doesn't know the maternity allowance, statutory sick pay, or contribution-based employment and support allowance, especially those students or in work permit or limited leave to remain. They even don't claim, although they are eligible this benefit. So you need to know that these benefits are not public fund, and you can claim in the UK while you have restriction, no recourse to public fund. So this is what about today. Now, if you want to claim universal credit, or if you want to claim other benefit from housing, then you need to make an application to the Home Office to lift the restriction. And there are certain circumstances where someone is a destitute, exceptional circumstance, or for the welfare of the children. If you are in that circumstance, then you can apply to the Home Office to lift this condition. Now, I have lots of video in my YouTube channel. You can have a look at how to remove the restriction no recourse to public fund, and you will get some details idea what information you require, what document you need to submit. Thank you very much for all this information. If you need any help, please feel free to contact us. Our contact details appear bottom of the screen. And my name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm the Principal Solicitor of SWF Solicitor. So thank you for today.